Here I am working on a tool that is been beveled, and I am reconvexing the exterior edge. I am now doing the interior work of laying a hone line, cleaning all the residue off, making sure that burr is completely gone, checking under my light to see if the consistency is there. It may not be polished to my liking right now, so going back for another polish just to make sure that nothing's left behind. Investigating the other side of this blade. Each tool is taken apart and serviced from the inside out when they're at our bench at Legacy Sharpening.